Hello my friends, you're welcome back to today's video, and I want to use this opportunity to greet my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I will continue to say thank you to you guys who watch my videos, who make the journey worth it. Thank you so much. So, and if you're new here, if you're seeing my video, seeing me for the first time, seeing my channel for the first time, I say welcome. Thank you for coming by. If you're looking for food videos like this, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my food episodes. So guys, in today's episode, I'll be cooking one of my favorite soups, Oha Soup. So guys, this was the whole Oha leaves after plucking them from their stalk. So this was all I have got. And a point to note, guys, some Oha leaves are not to be plucked when you're doing this. When you see all these strong Oha leaves, these strong leaves, don't put them because they may not soften in the pot. Even if they're not good, you will have to totally remove them whenever you're cooking your Ora soup. When you're cooking Oha soup, these are some Oha leaves that have overstayed on the tree, like they were not plucked when they were supposed to, so they stayed there and became so strong. You know, Oha on a normal Oha leaf supposed to be a tender leaf, soft leaf, but when they have stayed long on the tree, maybe the owners were not taking them out as when they tend to become strong. So when you see such, you remove them. You know them by their texture, they are strong. So guys, inside my cooking pot, I'll be adding this palm fruit juice, which I have extracted from the palm fruit. So this shall be a base for my cooking. So guys, at this point, I'll start adding in the cooking ingredients. So the first thing I'm adding here is the cocoyam. So guys, the type of cocoyam you buy for soup when you go to market is, tell them cocoyam soup. Sorry, tell them cocoyam for soup. Oh, ofe. They call it oriede. The one that's like that draws, not just but you can mix. They have the one they call Indian cocoa India. You can mix it with edori. It can still give you a good one. So guys, I'm also using a lot of cocoyam in this soup because I want this Oha soup to thicken well. And when your cocoyam is not enough, you can use achi. Sorry, you can use not achi, ofo. Although some people use achi in cocoyam soup, or for me, I don't like using achi in cocoyam soup. What I prefer using is ofo, the white one. So you grind it and you can use oil, red oil, to form a paste with it and put. So guys, for the love of roasted meat, I'll be putting this meat into my oven for them to collect some heat from the oven. I've already cooked the meat. So at this point, guys, the cocoyam the water has started boiling again, so I'll quickly add the cooking ingredients. This is the crayfish. This is the crayfish. This is the Uziza seed, which I pounded. I told you I used the fresh Uziza seed, so I'm adding the Uziza seed now to give flavor, enough flavor into this soup. Pepper. This is the locust bean, ogiri akwukwo. This is the type you need though. In those days, my mother, she would just put this leaf inside the soup. Later, she will bring it out. So I'm putting it there. I'll bring it out later, guys. So the next thing I'm adding here are the meats, because I want the taste. I want this roasted. I want the oven, as in the taste of this meat from the oven to enter inside the soup. So I just added the meat. These are these dry fish which I've already washed before now. When you're washing your dry fish, use hot water, then remove all the bones there, because you don't want people to eat bones while they're eating it. So our stuffed fish goes in. So guys, looking at this soup, the oil there is enough, but I want to add a spoon of red oil, but you can decide to leave yours like this. Adding your seasoning cubes and salt. Guys, remember you already added some when you were cooking the meat, so always check so you don't have a tasty salty soup. So the soup is really doing well. The cocoyam is dissolved almost. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead to add the leaves. I'm removing this finally. Tell me in the comment section below if you do this, guys. Wow, this soup is yummy. How I wish you guys are here to have a taste. Oh my god, in my years of cooking soup, I think this is the best Oha soup I've ever made. So guys, at this point I will just go ahead to add the chopped vegetables. Some people have the belief that if you cut oha leaves with knife, that it will make it bitter, to bitter the soup. So some they don't cut at all, some they just use hand to pieces the oha leaf. But guys, in this video I used a sharp knife to cut the oha leaves into big sizes. So but the first vegetable I'm putting here is the uziza leaves. I'm doing this because the uziza leaves are stronger than the oha leaves, so I want them to get done first. So guys, look at the consistency of the soup. If you don't like, if yours is like this and you feel it's watery, you can add a thickener, but I'm okay with this consistency. Remember, I've not added the Oha soup, and I tell you, adding in the vegetables. You still want this Oha leaves green when you're done cooking, so don't overcook them. You can turn as you add, as you like it. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Give the video likes, like the video. Is not easy. Encourage your sister to do more. Encourage me guys to do more. Like my videos, share my videos, leave a comment, tell me your best soup. Tell me the soup you like the most. I'll be glad to know.